Man, what we got here? Samsung A14. So what happened to your phone, man?
I dropped it. It cracked the screen. It was working for a while, but then it got wet. It was in my pocket.
Okay, wait, so you dropped your phone first.
Right.
What were you doing when you dropped your phone?
I was fucking around at the ATM.
Was the ATM not working properly?
No, it was working probably, but I have two pins in this finger, and in this hand I have a cut tendon, so sometimes my hand just glitches.
So you had a glitch and you dropped your phone.
Right, and it just happened to hit the curve just right, and split the screen.
Oh shit. Now what happened? What happened to your hand that you had no, so you had something in your hand?
Yeah, I got two pins. When it broke, it didn't break across. It broke straight down this way, and the knuckle actually popped out of the socket. So they had to put the bone back together long ways and put two pins in it to hold it together.
What were you doing that you broke it though?
I did a little time in county and got in a fight with some guy, and him and his little cronies came up and they cracked it over the bar. Yeah, it was